Ava, and she used the anti-cough and phlegm spray. So Ava, tell me your experience.
Yes, hi, my name is Ava, and I use this anti-phlegm spray, anti-cough and phlegm spray, and I had a very severe sore throat. I had an even problem talking. I was coughing all the time, and what I did is I did 2, 3, maybe sometimes 4 sprays in my throat, and it definitely improved within a short period of time. And I highly recommend it.
All right. Thank you, Ava. That again is the anti-cough and phlegm spray. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.